Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And this is one of a series of videos where I'm going to be breaking down all the little steps and activities that are involved in participating in the Osmosis Dex and the Osmosis ecosystem. This one, I'm going to be explaining to you how to set up the Keplr browser-based wallet.
TOKENMETRICS is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these videos. Also, please follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram announcements channel. And if you're watching on YouTube, come over to bit.ly/CryptoRichOdyssey, where I post all my videos, including content that YouTube doesn't like, and you want to know what that is. I cover crypto and I cover politics. This one and this series of videos is all about crypto. I always check that my NordVPN is running and I got the threat protection. And also I got encryption so that none of the data that goes in and out of my computer can be snooped on or spied upon because it's fully encrypted. Also, NordVPN has a feature that stops me going to scammy phishing websites where I'm at risk of losing my private keys or giving away other information. Now use my affiliate link, nordvpn.com/cryptorich. This will give you up to 2/3 discount on some of their packages, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Keplr wallet. And here's one way to start. You could, of course, go to presearch.com, not Google. Go to presearch.com and look for Keplr, K-E-P-L-R, or you can put in the URL, keplr.app, Keplr.app. Or another way I want to show you is if you go to osmosis.zone, let me just check that the certificate is accurate. It's the correct certificate, and it has been verified by NordVPN. I'm on Firefox, by the way, but the Keplr app works on Chrome and also on forks of Chrome like Brave, Decenter, and Opera. However, you may not have full functionality on those forks of Chrome. I'm going to show you how to set up on Firefox, and the steps are exactly the same. So if I go to osmosis.zone and I scroll down a little bit, you see here ecosystem. This tells me all the different applications and dApps that are currently running and available as part of and connected to the Osmosis ecosystem. Here you can see the Osmosis Dex. You can also see here YieldMoss. Watch out for that one. That is very good. Very good for compounding your staking and pooling rewards. Osmosis Frontier, we're going to be using that one as well. That's a permissionless front end for the Osmosis Dex. And dexmos.app, which has really great analytics. Osmosis.info, which is the information page from the Osmosis team. And here we go, Keplr. So I want to click on this one. But the website is keplr.app, Keplr app. And here I click on install Keplr, and it takes me to the official download links. I'm on Firefox. Oh, it also works on iOS and Android as well, by the way. I'm on Firefox, add to Firefox. This extension will have permission to access your data for all websites, display notifications to you. I add. Keplr was added. Okay, and I'm not sure if you can see because I may have cut that bit off on my screen, but it's a little icon like this to the right of the address window. So I'm going to click on that icon. It takes me to this page, wallet for the interchain, sign in with Google. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just not going to do that. I am not going to do that. I'm going to create a new account. Now, I can also import an existing account, which is pretty simple to do, if I had this, say, on a previous browser or another computer or on my mobile, I import the 12 seed or the 24-word seed phrase through this application, and then that wallet will open up on this computer. Now I'm going to create a new account, and I can choose a 12-word seed phrase or a 24-word seed phrase. Now 24-word seed phrase is way more complex. I'm going to use a 12-word seed phrase because this is just a demonstration video. I'm not going to be keeping this. So if you want to write this seed phrase down so you can waste your time trying to steal assets that aren't there, go ahead, knock yourself out. Now, you've got to back up this seed phrase. Also, here they call it a mnemonic seed, because anyone with your mnemonic seed can take your assets. A lost mnemonic seed can't be recovered. So right now, there may be dozens of you writing this seed phrase down, and you're all going to be sharing the same empty wallet. have to keep this super, super, super secure. Of course, my real seed phrase, I don't give to anybody. So I'm going to choose account name. Let's just call it CR. New password. What would a new password be? Well, don't use password. And don't use passwords that you use elsewhere. And don't use 1234. Use a secure, long password that you'll remember, or that you've got a clue written down for somewhere. Let me just put that in. Okay, so I've put in the password, scroll down, click on next. Firefox has offered to remember this password. Never. Thank you very much. Now, this page, I have to put the 12-word seed phrase in the order in which they appeared. So if I put them in the wrong order, then they won't register. So make sure that you write them down. Lose the password, you'll lose the crypto. Child, disorder, skirt, cattle. Now these words are actually from a list, I think, of over 2,000 words. So you can't just have anything. And here we go. Click on register. The wheel is turning. The wheel is turning. Done. You're all set. Open the extension and sign in to begin your interchain journey. Now to begin my interchain journey, well, let me just click on the little icon in the browser, and there is my Keplr wallet. Here's Cosmos, which is the token, the coin is Atom, Osmosis, Secret Network, and you can see them all here. Kava and Evmos, and there's others that can be added. And then if I click on this, this takes me to a web page for my Keplr wallet. And that'll be in the next video, how to send and receive, and also how to stake. And then I'll be doing how to put it in a pool and what pools are, how to take it out of a pool, how to compound your returns, and lots of exciting stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave comments in the description below. Give me the thumbs up or the fire sign. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, and join my official Telegram announcements channel. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.